What is a good landing page load speed? If your landing page takes too long to load, visitors are more likely to leave without taking any action. On the other hand, if your landing page loads lightning fast, you're more likely to get visitors to convert and see a stronger return on investment. To make sure your landing pages are effective, you should always check their load speed before using them for marketing campaigns. So, what is a good load speed for a landing page? Obviously, the faster your landing pages load, the better. But this is how to read the results of your landing page speed testing. Between 1 and 3 seconds is a good landing page load speed. Between 3 and 5 seconds is acceptable. More than 5 seconds is slow. You should definitely invest your time into improving the load speed of your landing pages in this case. Otherwise, you may see suboptimal results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more training, and join our community on Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.